This summer, I worked on generative AI models, specifically diffusion models, that can help us optimize deep brain stimulation.
So this summer, my project is looking at how your sex and obesity status impacts the transcription that occurs in the cartilage of your knee joint during osteoarthritis.
This summer, I'm helping a PhD student in her research studying Fragile X syndrome using neural brain organoids.
So all of my days start with making a plan of what I'll be doing for that day, then showing it to my lab mentor, and then going straight into my experiments, which in the case of today, was using the Illumina sequencer to sequence some cells.
This summer, I'm working with organoids, including embedding them, cryosectioning them, staining them, and imaging them, as well as working on other side projects, such as 3D printing models for other people in the lab. On my first day of work, I felt apprehensive.
I'd say the word would be grateful.
Incredible.
I just really wanted to make a good first impression, and because it's such important research, I also didn't want to mess anything up.
I spent the past 2 years working across neuroscience and machine learning, and finally being here felt like the payoff.
So not only is this place way bigger than any of the labs I've ever been, there's so much incredible equipment everywhere, from microscopes to massive sequencers, and overall it's just an amazing place to be.
The best piece of advice that I received was that research is slow, and so you need to be able to know how to persevere and also make good use of your time and be efficient.
The best piece of advice I got in the lab was to always remember that tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's a new day to learn from your mistakes, to try again, and to overall do better than you did the day before.
The most memorable piece of advice I received this summer didn't come from something Dr. Lankarani said to me, but came from me observing the way he runs our lab. He encourages us to ask questions spanning neuroscience, modeling, and biosignals. This fall, I will be continuing as a research assistant in Dr. Lankarani's lab, further working on the ways that we can optimize deep brain stimulation through the use of AI.
Well, I'm not looking too far into the future. I just want to finish this summer strong and make sure I can finish all my research to the best of my abilities.
This September, I'll be starting my third year of the Biochemistry and Biomedical Research specialization at McMaster University, where I'll be using the skills I learned here in the classroom instead of the other way around. So I'd just like to thank everyone from the Kapoor Lab for all of the amazing support that they've shown me. And I'd also just like to give a special thank you to Dr. Kapoor, Kimo, Anka, and Maham for being amazing mentors that have guided me along this entire journey.
I want to thank everybody in the lab for teaching me so much and dealing with all my mistakes, mishaps, and letting me learn just at my own pace, even when it took me way too long to maybe learn how to cryosection. You were always there for me.
I want to thank Dr. Lankarani for showing me what it means to pursue research boldly and for giving me the confidence to do the same this summer.